Hello beautiful people, today I am taking a look at the Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Masks. It's a powerful detoxifier and pore minimalizer, and the mask itself is a sheet mask that is made in Korea, and it's totally black, and I'm not going to take one out because I'm not going to put one on my face. But I got a 4-pack of these. And it has active charcoal to deeply detoxify and purify the skin. They say you can skip the spa. And you can use these weekly in place of going to get an actual facial from a facialist or esthetician, actually. It's made in Korea, which is the leader in, no doubt, in facial sheet masks. They are the whole market really has been flooded by a ton of these facial sheet masks. I found this one to be really great. It uses natural ingredients and extracts in addition to hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid will tone and refresh the skin. If you're not using a hyaluronic acid or something that has something in it, I highly suggest looking into that, because the sooner you do, the younger you can keep your skin looking. I've been using facial products since I was 16 years old. I've been addicted, and people don't think I'm my age, and that's really nice because I really do take pride and take care of my skin. So it's basically a deep cleansing facial. The sheet mask removes oil, reduces blemishes and clogged pores, and like I said, it comes in a 4-pack. You can get one if you want, just to try it out, but it's a better deal to get 4. So how you actually use it is you can use it weekly to replace your salon facial treatment. Cleanse your skin and pat dry. Apply facial mask to skin and leave on for 30 minutes. So you're going to have this weird black face mask on for 30 minutes. So you're going to look a little funny with this sheet mask, which is basically, it's a sheet infused with the bamboo charcoal. And after you are done with the 30 minutes, you take it off, and you don't wipe anything off. You pat it into your face. So that's basically what the facial mask looks like. It has eye holes, a nose hole, and a mouth hole. And so I'm just reading what it says here. Basically, they're saying if you want to feel brilliant every day to look your best, go ahead and try and use this mask. The mask is actually made of non-woven bamboo fiber, which is something unique. A lot of them tend to be, I think, cotton. So the ingredients are pretty, they're really nice. I mean, aloe, leaf juice, castor oil, raspberry ketone, soybean ferment extract. So a lot of natural ingredients. Shea butter, which is amazing to keep moisture in there. And this is made in Korea. And the total weight is 23 milliliters or 0.78 fluid ounces. And it's just a really nice thing to add to your routine. I'm always wearing masks pretty much every night. So this is just a mask that I've added to my regime, and Don't tell my husband I said this, but I do put these on him as well. So yeah, so Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. Really good deal. Really nice moisturizing product. And I think you'll enjoy it. I think if you like the facial masks that are sheet masks, you'll definitely like this. It has a pleasant scent. Pore minimalizer. Who doesn't need smaller pores? I mean, come on. So yeah, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. The Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask, a powerful detoxifier and pore minimalizer. I have such trouble saying that. So try it out, and thanks so much for watching.